Hey guys, I'm back. This live is going to be pretty long because I have 4 guns to raffle off today. These ones were the ones through last week, and reminder, we will be back on the 30th. So let's get to it. This is the CZ Shadow 2 Compact. This one included 3 Rocky Ridge Gun Tinner tickets. Here's your list. Of course, freebies at the bottom. Perfect. And let's go over here and raffle it. Number 2, right in the beginning. Daniel Crum. Congratulations. I'll email you here in a minute to let you know that you won. But moving right on over to the next one. This is the Glock 43X MOS, also included 4 Rocky Ridge Gun Dinner tickets, which is happening tonight if you want to go. Here's your list. Freebies at the bottom, short and sweet. Let's raffle it. Number 26. Michael Kozar, congratulations. I'll also email you here in a minute. Thank you for playing. Moving right on. The Walther PD380, this one included 4 Rocky Ridge Gun Dinner tickets as well. Here we go. Here's your list. $144. Number 17. Who had number 17? Tyrone Wing. Congratulations. I'll email you here in a minute as well. And then last one, the Glock 34. Here's your Canva. This one included 100 rounds of ammo with it. Here's your list. Freebies at the bottom. Perfect, and let's pull it. Number 2 again. Number 2 is winning today. Andrew Reed, congratulations. I'll also email you here in a minute. So congratulations to everybody that has won today. There are going to be some new things on the website here either Monday or later today. So keep an eye out for those, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.